What's going on guys, Kyle here from GuideWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Forms with GoHighLevel. Start by creating your Google form and adding in the necessary information. So I have contact information that consists of name, email, address, phone number, and comments. Once you have created your Google form, go ahead and create a Google Sheet document that will capture all of your information. Once you have done that, go back to Google Docs, go to Responses, and then link to Sheets. Select existing spreadsheet and then type in and search for your newly created Google Sheet. So Kyle's form submitted, insert. Now go into GoHighLevel and select Automation and then create workflow. Start from scratch. We are going to add a new trigger, form submitted, save trigger, and now we add our action. Type in Google Sheets, choose an account, action name, and then action, create spreadsheet row, drive, my drive, and then select the spreadsheet. Kyle's form submitted, form response 1, starting with name and ending with comments. Now we need to map the two together. So under name, we're going to go to the right and click that tag, contact, full name. Then we're going to do the same with email. Go to contact, look for email and select it, and then address, and then save action. If this video helped, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to GuideWise. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.